Hello everyone, namaste, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today we're going to talk about something absolutely fascinating. We will see how artificial intelligence, or AI, is completely changing the world of digital marketing in the year 2026. Now, I know AI sounds like a very heavy, technical word, but don't worry at all. We are going to keep it very simple, very clear, and super easy to understand. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does a computer know what you want to buy before you even ask? To understand this, just think about your local Kirana store owner. Let's call him Ramu Kaka. When you walk into his shop, he already has your 2 packets of milk and a loaf of bread ready on the counter. Why? Because he knows your habits. He cares about your needs. Well, a computer using AI, it does the exact same thing. Okay, let's dive into this. We call this predictive analytics. It basically means guessing what a customer will do next just by looking at their past habits and past data. So you see, AI is just like our friendly Ramu Kaka. But here is the big difference. A shopkeeper remembers the habits of maybe 50 or 100 people in the neighborhood. AI can remember and guess the habits of literally millions of people at the exact same time.
Because AI is so smart, it gives amazing benefits to businesses. First, it easily understands huge amounts of customer data. Second, it gives every single customer that special personal touch. Third, it saves so much time by doing all the boring tasks automatically. And finally, it gives a much better return on your money. Big companies like Netflix and Amazon use this technology every single day. It keeps their customers super happy, and it brings down the high cost of finding new ones because the old customers feel understood and they just keep coming back.
Section 1. Choosing the right software.
Now, let us look at which software a business should actually use today to get these AI powers. We are comparing 2 very famous tools here, HubSpot and Salesforce. HubSpot is very easy to use. It has everything clubbed into one place. It's the best choice for mid-sized teams who just want a simple system. On the other hand, Salesforce is for very large companies. It's a bit complex, and you usually need a special admin to manage it. So if you have a huge company with a heavy-duty sales process, Salesforce is your winner.
But what if you ran an online shop? Then you need e-commerce tools. Let's compare 2 popular options, Omnisend and Klaviyo. Klaviyo is quite expensive. It is made for big brands that have big budgets and need very strong predictive data. But if you have a small or mid-sized store, Omnisend is much more affordable. It gives great value for your hard-earned money and is very simple to learn.
And here is a real game changer for Omnisend. It has a big advantage built right in, native web push notifications. This means you can send those little pop-up messages straight to your customer's mobile or computer screen. You don't need to buy any extra tools to do this. You can do your email, SMS, and push messages all in one single place. It's super simple and saves a lot of money.
Section 2. The 2026 MarTech Landscape.
Let's move to a bigger picture now. The marketing technology world is called MarTech. Looking at the 2026 market balance, something very interesting is happening. For the past few years, thousands of new tools were popping up every single year. It was a crazy rush. But now look at this. The market is finally balancing out. About 1,400 new tools were added, but almost the exact same number of old tools were removed or shut down. Things are finally becoming stable.
Now here is a really surprising fact about content marketing tools. These are the tools used to write blogs or social media posts. They are actually crashing. Just look at the chart. More tools were removed than added. Why is this happening? Because big AI programs, like ChatGPT, can already do all the basic writing work now. People just don't need to buy separate special tools to write a simple post anymore.
So, what are smart companies doing in 2026? They are following the build versus buy trend, meaning they are doing both things at the exact same time. First, they buy basic AI tools that are already sitting inside their software, like their CRM. But for their really special, private customer data, they build their own custom AI. Doing both helps them work fast and completely stand out from the competition.
Section 3. Ethical AI and privacy.
But wait, there is a problem. Using AI is not just about making money or working fast. It comes with a huge responsibility. Here are the big red flags, the danger signs we must avoid. Number 1 is privacy invasion. You absolutely cannot track people without asking them first. Number 2 is algorithmic bias. AI can sometimes make unfair decisions, and we have to check for that.
Number 3 is fake content. We should never use AI to create fake reviews or videos to trick people. And finally, lack of accountability. You can't just blame the computer when something goes wrong. AI can cause real harm if we aren't careful.
Because remember, trust is everything. Break it once and the customer is gone forever. Let me give you a real-life example. A while back, Snapchat released an AI feature that felt a bit too invasive for people. It tracked too much, there was a massive public backlash, and so many complaints. This teaches us a very big lesson. Just because your AI can do something doesn't mean it should. Always respect your customer's privacy.
So, the crucial point is, how do we use AI the right way? Well, here's a simple step-by-step framework. Step 1, transparency. Always be open and tell your users you're using AI. Step 2, consent. Always ask for their permission first. Step 3, fairness. Make sure your AI treats everyone equally and nicely. And step 4, accountability. Take full responsibility for your actions. Be a good, honest business owner.
This brings us to a very important question to end our explainer with. Will you use AI to genuinely help your customers, or will you just use it to track them? Think deeply about this. Be like that smart, friendly Kirana shopkeeper we talked about in the very beginning. Use your tools to serve your community better, bring a smile to their face, and build a strong, honest relationship that lasts a lifetime. I really hope you found this explainer helpful and easy to learn from. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you want to read full article, please click on given link below.